हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं आपका SRM सर अपना यूट्यूब चैनल सौम्य एजुकेशन. In this video lecture we will discuss about that is all the trigonometric function of the class 11 of plus 2 science. Okay, these are the basic. First of all, we will know that what are called angles. If we consider here AB and BC and joining them, then this is the ABC angle subtended by two lines, that is AB and BC, that is BA union BC, that is here the BA line union BC line making an angle, that is ABC, that is here. So that the A and B and C are the non-collinear points. Okay, A points and B point and C point, these are the non-collinear points. Okay, here the BA is the initial side and BC is called as the terminal side and B the vertex of the angle. Okay, here first of all we will know all the basics. These are not necessary to derive. These are as it is the math, but these are the not concept which are belongs to the derivation part. So we will know the basics, then come to the derivation. Okay, so here I will not write anything. Okay, so BA is the one side and BC is the another side. Both the terminal side after mixing making an angle, and B is called as vertex. This B is called as vertex of the angle. Okay, so that what we learn from this, now BA is the initial side and BC is the terminal side. Okay, what is BA? BA is the initial side, and what is BC? BC is the terminal side and B is the vertex. So from this we learn what is initial side, what is terminal side, and what is vertex. Okay, and the vertex of the angle, this is the angle. Okay, then what is positive angle and negative angle? If we rotate, if we consider this is BA and we will rotate the BA with anti-clockwise. Okay, this is anti-clockwise. If we rotate anti-clockwise, okay, so this is called as positive angle. And if we take BA to rotate in clockwise direction, then it is called as negative angle. Okay, then come to the measurement of an angle. Now, these are the measurement of angles. Okay, first of all we will discuss system degree measure. Okay, 1 degree is equal to, we know that to complete a total, if we take a line and if we rotate it as it is, then this is a circle from which we start, then again from this is called as the 360 degree rotation. So 1 degree is equal to 360 rotation. We know that 1 rotation is equal to 360 degree. So 1 degree is equal to 1 upon 360 of the rotation or revolution. So from initial side to terminal side, 1 revolution. If we consider that is BA is the initial side and we will come to again from the initial side, then it is cover, we say 360 degree. Okay, then come to 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Okay, then come to the circular systems, that is radian measure. We know that if we convert a degree to radian, then we will simply multiply pi upon 1 by 80. So how can we multiply pi upon 180? Then come to discuss. We will know that what is radian. Now the angle at the center of a circle. What is radian? Now the angle at the center of a circle by an arc. If we consider this is a circle if we consider that is this is a circle, then if we consider this is the radius and this is the another radius and this is the L, that is arc, and this is the radius and this is the radius, this is the angle. So what is radian? Now 1 radian, that is radian, the angle at the center, this is the center, the angle at the center of a circle by an arc, this angle made by this arc at the center, this is called in radian. Okay, then come to that is here the formula, that is at the center, here the angle that is subtended at the center by the arc, that is the formula theta is equals to arc upon radius, where theta is the in radian. Okay, theta is in radian, treated as a real number, so theta is in radian, which is in a real number. Relation between degree and radian, we know that 360 degree is equal to 2 pi radian. Okay, so pi radian is equal to 180 degree. So 1 degree is equal to pi upon 180 radian. Okay, because we know that theta is in radian, which is made by an arc at the center. So 2 pi radians by the total arc at the center for one revolution. So for one revolution, that is 360 degree, that is 2 pi radians. 2 pi radians is equals to 360 degree, that is pi radian is equal to 180 degree. So that 1 degree is equals to pi upon 180 radian. Okay, then come to the domain and range. Okay, first of all, for sine, the domains are all real numbers. Okay, but the range is always taken along y-axis. If we consider y-axis, the maximum value of sine is -1 to 1. So all the values of sine, that is lies in between -1 to 1. So these are the ranging values. Okay. Then for cos also, all the real number are the domains, and also -1 and 1 are the range. And the revolution again starts after 2 pi. That is here right. Sin x, the period of revolution, that is 2 pi. For cos x also the period of revolution is 2 pi. Then come to the tan x, that is tangent. We know that the formula of tan x, that is sin x upon cos x. If the cos x is 0, then the total term is indeterminate. So that except the that is theta value is equals to, that is if we accept the value that is cos theta is equal to 0, that is where the theta is cos theta is 0 at the position that is pi by 2. So x belongs to x such that x belongs to x such that x belongs to r any real number, and x not equal to 2n plus 1 by 2 pi. Okay, then come to cotangent, that is cot. Here also similarly the domain is x such that x belongs to r and x not equal to n pi, because here the sin cos theta for cot theta formula is cos theta upon sin theta. So we have to avoid the sin theta value, that is 0. So where the sin 0 is 0, so that n pi is not correct here. So here x not equal to n pi, and all the real numbers are range. For tan theta, all the real numbers are the range, and also in cotangent. And sec, for in case of sec theta, also similarly sec theta is equals to 1 upon cos theta. So x such that x belongs to all real number except of x not equal to 2n plus 1 upon 2 pi by 2 pi. Similarly in cosec theta, that is we know that cosec theta formula is equals to and the range is r minus minus 1 1, that is close bracket, in close bracket. And again for cosec theta, that is 1 upon sin theta. So where the sin theta value 0, that is 0 degree. So the x is that x belongs to r and x not equal to n pi, and r range belongs to range r minus minus 1 to 1 in close bracket. So for tan theta and cot theta, the period of revolution is pi, and sin, cos, sec, cosec is 2 pi. And for sin square x or cos square x is also pi, and mod of sin x and mod of cos x is also pi. Then come to the, that is sine of trigonometric function. Okay, it is logically we will mind. First of all, we will note the rule, that is here these are the 4 coordinate system, that is first one, that is first quadrant, the second quadrant, the third quadrant, then fourth quadrant. At the first quadrant, that is it is 90 degree, so 0 to 90 degree, then 90 to 180 degree, then 180 to 270 degree, then 270 to 360 degree. For first 90 degree all are positive, but when we move from 90 to 180, then sine and cosec only positive. And if we move 170 degree to 270 degree, sorry 180 degree to 270 degree, here only tan and cot are positive. But we will move when 270 to 360, then here only cos and sec are positive. According to the technique, that is logic, all sine, tan, cot, that is add sugar to coffee. First quadrant all, second quadrant sugar that is sine, and third quadrant that is 2, that is tan, and the last one is coffee, that is cos or sec, sorry cos. These are the angle values which are more easily remind with, we will remind, so that you will remind this. Okay, we will not briefly discuss about all the formulas. Take a screenshot student. So let us take a question, that is the minute hand of a clock is 2 cm long. After 50 minutes, what arc will it cover? Okay, then come to the solution. We know that the minute hand, that is the clock of the minute hand of a clock takes 60 minutes for 2 pi, that is to complete one rotation, that is 2 pi. 60 minute take for 2 pi. Then what will it take for 50 minutes? That is 2 pi upon 60 multiplied with 50. So 0 0 cancel, that is 10 pi upon 6. Then we know that theta is equals to L upon R, that is where R is the radius, and then what is the L, that is arc value, that is theta multiplied with R. So what is the theta value? That is 10 pi upon 6. And what is the radius? That is 2 cm, that is 20 pi upon 6, that is 10 pi upon 3. This is the answer. Okay, so this type of questions from clock will come according to geometry point of view. Okay, then come to the logic. Okay, what is that? Is Pandit Badri Prasad Hari Bol. According to this logic, we will know all the sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec formulas. Okay, if we consider this is a triangle. Okay, and we know that this is the base, this is the perpendicular, and this is the hypotenuse. And if we consider that is theta, then first of all P for P, Pandit for P, Badri for V, and for Prasad for P, and divide Hari Bol, that is divide H and divide B. So this is the formula of sin theta, this is the formula of cos theta, this is the formula of tan theta, and the reverse will be 1 by cosec theta, 1 by sec theta, 1 upon cot theta. And also we know that our more formula, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. And also cosec square theta minus cot square theta, that is equal to also 1. Okay. And also we know that sine of minus theta is equals to minus sin theta, and cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. Sorry, minus cos theta. Sorry, the cos of minus theta value only cos theta. Okay. Then come to that is trigonometry functions of allied angles. That is the formula, that is we know that the first one is we will discuss, that is sin 2n plus 1 multiplied with pi of by 2 plus or minus theta, that is equals to plus or minus cos theta. How it will remind, that is why we know that is positive or negative according to ASTC rule. Okay. Then come to that is second one is cos 2n plus 1 multiplied with pi by 2 plus or minus theta, that is equal to plus or minus sin theta. Choose plus or minus sign by using ASTC rule. Similar technique, that is ASTC rule. Okay. Similarly, these are the formula, that is sin n pi plus or minus theta is equal to plus or minus sin theta according to ASTC rule. Okay. Then come to the second formula, that is cos n pi plus or minus theta, that is equal to also plus or minus cos theta. Okay, according to ASTC rule. Only this is the logic, that is here we consider the before formula. In the before formula we will know that the formula, that is sin 2n plus 1 pi by 2 plus or minus theta. As there is comes pi by 2, so there the sign is convert to plus or minus cos theta. But as there is pi, so their sign is also convert to plus or minus is this same sin theta. Okay. Then the third one formula is tan n pi plus or minus theta is equals to plus or minus tan theta according to also ASTC rule. Okay. Then come to the sum. Then come to the formula, that is sine and sum and difference formula, that is sin a plus b is equal to sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b. Sin a minus b formula, that is sin a into cos b minus cos a into sin b. Cos a plus b formula, that is cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b. That is logic, plus here minus. Okay. Then cos a minus cos b, that is cos a minus b, that is cos a into cos b plus sin a into sin b. Then come to the tan a plus b, that is tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a into tan b. Then come to the tan a minus b, that is tan a minus tan b. Sorry, here the tan a is not left, right. Tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a into tan b. Then come to the cot a plus b, that is cot a into cot b. This is the opposite to the tan, that is cot a into cot b minus 1 upon cot a plus cot b. That is cot a minus b, cot a minus b, that is cot a into cot b plus 1 upon cot a plus cot b. These are the formula. Take a screenshot. Okay. Here come to the formula, that is sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. We know that sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b. So here the formula is, that is 2 sin a into sin b. Then come to this formula, sin A plus B formula, that is sin A into sin B plus cos A into sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. So that this is the formula, that is 2 cos A into sin B. Then come to the formula, that is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B, that is 2 cos A multiplied with cos B. Then this is the formula, that is 2 sin A multiplied with sin B. Then come to the sin A plus B into sin A minus B, that is the formula sin square A minus sin square B, or cos square B minus cos square A. Similarly, this is the formula, that is cos square A minus sin square B. Cos A plus B multiplied with cos A minus B, that is cos square A minus sin square B, or sin square cos square B minus sin square A, cos square B minus sin square A. Okay. Then come to the another formula, that is sin 2A is equals to 2 sin A multiplied with cos A, or 2 tan A upon 1 plus tan square A. Okay. Then the second formula, that is cos 2A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A, or 1 minus 2 sin square A, or 2 cos square A minus 1, or 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. Oh, sorry, this is enough. Then come to the formula, that is, this is the second formula, this is the first formula. Then the third one is, that is tan 2A, that is 2 tan A upon 1 minus tan square A. Okay. Then come to the formula, that is tan A plus B plus C, that is equal to tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus tan A multiplied with tan B multiplied with tan C upon 1 minus tan A into tan B minus tan B into tan C minus tan C into tan A. Okay. This is the formula of tan A plus B plus C. Tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus tan A into tan B into tan C upon 1 minus tan A into tan B minus tan B into tan C minus tan C into tan C. Then come to the formula, that is sin 3. Sin 3, that is 3 sin A minus sin QA upon, sorry, this is the formula 3 sin A minus 4 sin QA. Okay, this is the formula of sin 3. Then come to the cos 3 formula, that is cos 3. This is the 4 cos QA minus 3 cos A. This is opposite. Or we can write also sin 3A is equal to 4 sin A multiplied with sin pi by 3 minus A, that is sin 180 minus theta, that is sin theta, multiplied with sin A, that is sin square A, into sin pi by 3 minus, plus A. Sorry, this is sin 180 upon 3, that is sin 60 degree minus A multiplied with sin 60 degree plus A. Okay, this is the another formula of sin 3. Also we will write cos 3A is equal to 4 cos A multiplied with cos pi by 3 minus A multiplied with cos pi by 3 plus A. Okay. Then come to the formula, that is tan 3a is equal to 3 tan a minus tan qa upon 1 minus 3 tan square a. Okay, also you can write that is tan 3 is equal to tan a multiplied with tan pi by 3 minus a into tan pi by 3 plus a. Okay, similarly we will write that is sin 3 is equal to sin a multiplied with sin 3 is equal to 4 sin a multiplied with sin pi by 3 minus a multiplied with sin pi by 3 plus a. Similarly, cos 3 is equal to 4 cos a multiplied with cos pi by 3 minus a multiplied with cos pi by 3 plus a. Okay. Then in the next video lecture, we will discuss about that is sum or difference or product. Okay, take a screenshot of all the formulas and make practice, and we will make more numerical in the next class. Okay, this is the basic concept of the +2 science first year trigonometry. Okay students, thank you. Here that is the graph of the trigonometry, that is here these are the even multiple of pi which are lies on the positive direction of x axis. Okay, these are the odd multiple of pi which are lies in the negative direction of x axis, and these are the odd multiple of pi by 2 which are all lie in the y axis. Okay, then come to a problem, that is we will know the formula, that is sin n pi plus theta is equal to plus or minus sin theta, where n is even sin theta is positive, where n is odd sin theta is negative. Also sin n pi minus theta, that is the formula, that is plus or minus sin theta. Here the opposite, where n is even negative and n is odd, there is positive. Okay. Then come to the question, that is first question, that is sin 8717 degree, that is positive or negative. Then this is the logic, take 8717, that is divided by 18, then the 48 is after 48, then remaining 77. If it is less than 90 degree, if it is less than 90 degree, then write multiplied pi with this sin 48 pi plus 77 is equal to, that is 48 is even, so sin theta is positive. Then come to the sin 40 to 62, that is 18 multiplied with 23, then the remaining is 122, that is less than 180, 180. So where the it is more than 90 and less than 180, so add 1 with this, that is sin 24 pi, and subtracted, that is it is from 180 minus 128, that is 58, that is sin 24 pi minus 58, that is minus 7. As it is the sin n pi minus theta, here n is even, then sin is negative, so here this is the answer. According to this, all the questions are very easy. Then try to come to the formula, that is cos n pi plus or minus theta, that is equal to plus or minus cos theta, where this is the formula, where n is even, then cos theta is always positive, and where n is odd, that is cos theta is always negative. Okay, this is the logic, where n is even, then cos theta is positive, and where n is odd, then cos theta is negative. Then come to the formula, that is tan n pi plus theta, that is equal to tan theta, tan n pi minus theta, that is equal to minus tan theta, or cot n pi plus theta is equal to always cot theta, and cot n pi minus theta is always equal to minus cot theta. Okay. Then come to the formula, that is sin n pi by 2 plus theta is equal to plus or minus cos theta. We know that sin pi by 2 plus theta, that is cos theta. So here plus or minus cos theta in the answer. Okay, so how we will know that key it is either positive cos theta or negative cos theta? This is a logic also, where n minus 1 by 2 is even, then cos theta is positive, and where n minus 1 by 2 is odd, this is cos theta is negative. Okay, where n pi by 2 is there, then simply write n minus 1 by 2 is what, even or odd. Okay, this is our logic. If if n pi by 2 plus theta is comes in the question, then direct do that n minus 1 by 2, which is odd or even. Then we will know that if it is odd, then it is negative. If it is even, then it is negative, positive. Okay. This is the formula of sin n pi by 2 plus theta. Then come to the formula that is cos n pi by 2 plus theta is equal to also plus or minus sin theta. Here simply we will write that is n minus 1 by 2 is equal to odd or even. If it will be odd, then it is positive, and if it will be even, then it will be negative. So this is simply a logic. Okay. Then come to the formula that is, we will know that sin n pi by 2 plus theta and cos n pi by 2 plus theta. Then come to sin n pi by 2 minus theta. It is only this is. Okay. Here also n minus 1 by 2 is even, then it will be negative. Then if it is odd, then it will be positive. Okay. Simply we will write that ki cos n pi by 2 minus theta is equal to the formula that is sin n pi by 2 plus theta. There, if it is even, then it is positive, and if it is odd, then it is negative. Okay. Simply we will remind that there are 4 formulas of the n pi by 2, that is sin n pi by 2 plus theta is equal to plus or minus cos theta. How it will be considered that it is positive or negative, that is the value of cos theta. Only simply we have to subtract, that is n minus 1 by 2, where it is even, then it is positive, and where it is odd, then it is negative. And if we will take, that is cos n pi by 2 minus theta. Okay, here the formula is also as it is the formula in sin n pi by 2 plus theta, only opposite. Here the cos n pi by 2 minus theta, that is the opposite same of formula of sin n pi by 2 plus theta. Here this is relation. These are the relation. Okay. Then come to the formula that is tan n pi by 2 plus theta is equal to what? Tan n pi by 2 minus theta is equal to what? Then third one is cot n pi by 2 plus theta is equal to what? And the fourth one is cot n pi by 2 minus theta is equal to what? That is tan n pi by 2 plus theta is equal to minus cot theta. Okay. And tan n pi by 2 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Similarly, cot n pi by 2 plus theta is equal to minus tan theta, and cot n pi by 2 minus theta is equal to tan theta. So how we will remind this formula? Because this is the logic, only logic. If tan n pi by 2 plus theta is there, we know that tan pi by 2 plus theta is equal to cot theta. But here as it is, this is positive, so the result will be negative, minus cot theta. And when the sign is negative, then the result is cot theta, only positive. Okay, this is the sign negative, positive, positive, negative. This is the relation of the logic. Okay, we will know that sin minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. We will know before this formula only we will remind that cos minus theta will confuse here. This is also only cos theta, and tan minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. Okay, then students, come to our topic from which we will left, that is sum or difference. Okay, product, sum or difference का product. Then that is the first formula is sin A plus sin B. We will consider that A is equals to, this is the formula that is equal to sin A plus sin B, that is equal to, if we consider that, if we will take that is A as alpha plus beta and B is equal to alpha minus beta, then according to the formula that is sin alpha plus beta plus sin alpha minus beta is equals to, that is the formula, 2 sin A plus B by 2 multiplied with cos A minus B by 2. We will also write that if we will take that is C and D, then it is easy to remind, 2 sin C plus D upon 2 multiplied with cos C minus D multiplied divided by 2. So this is also another formula. Then that is the formula. Second one is C minus sin D. What is this the formula? The 2 cos C plus D by 2 multiplied with 2 sin C minus D by 2. Okay, 2 cos C plus D by 2 multiplied with 2 sin C minus D by 2. Okay, the third formula is that is cos C plus cos D, that is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 multiplied with 2 cos C plus D by 2 multiplied with the cos C minus D by 2. Then come to the formula that is D, that is last one, that is cos C minus cos D, that is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 multiplied with 2 sin C minus D by 2. Okay. These are then come to the sum multiple arguments, that is, these are the sum multiple arguments, that is sin theta. We know that sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta. Only the difference is in the place of 2 theta there is theta. Okay, so there is theta in the place of 2 theta, so we will write simply, when 2 theta is there, then we will write theta, then 2 sin theta is there, so theta by 2 we will write, that is sin theta is equal to, so 2 sin theta by 2 multiplied with cos theta by 2. Okay, then come to the formula that is 1 plus sin theta is equal to sin theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2 the whole square. That is, we know that sin square theta by 2 plus cos square theta by 2 plus 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. We know that sin square theta by 2 plus cos square theta by 2 is equal to 1. So we only left 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. We will know that this is the formula of sin theta. So 1 plus sin theta is equal to this is, and 1 minus sin theta is equal to this is. Okay, then come to the formula that is, we know that cos theta is equal to cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. Okay, we know that cos theta is equal to cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. So here only the, also we know that cos theta formula, that is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2 and 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. So here only the difference is, here the 2 sin square theta by 2 is only here the minus, then come to the another side, then that is 2 sin square theta by 2 is equal to 1, then the cos theta is come to the this side, 1 minus cos theta, and again 2 cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos theta. Okay, so here the sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 2 and cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos theta by 2. Okay, Then come to the formula, that is tan theta by 2 is equal to sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Okay, this is the formula. If we divide here cos theta, that is tan theta, then that is we will remind that is tan theta by 2 is equal to sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta. If there is the value sin theta is in the upper part of this, then we will remain as a logic. The lower one is 1 plus cos theta, and if the lower one is sin theta, then the upper one is 1 minus cos theta. Okay, only this is the difference. Then come to the sin theta formula, that is 3 sin. We know that sin 3a is equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin qa. So here only the difference is 3 sin theta by 2 minus 4 sin q theta by 2, and cos theta is equal to 4 cos q theta by 2 minus 3 cos theta by 2. Okay. Then come to the formula, that is tan theta, that is we know that 3 tan theta by 2 minus tan q theta by 2 upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta by 2. Then come the trigonometric equations involving trigonometric function of unknown angles are called trigonometric functions. Okay, we know that all the trigonometric functions involving trigonometric different angles, unknown angles, are called as trigonometric functions. So principal solution, what is principal solution? Now the solution x of a trigonometric equation is said to be principal solution if x belongs to 0 to 2 pi. Only when the x belongs to in between 0 to 2 pi, that is 0, pi, pi by 2, 3 pi by 2. Okay, these are the when these are lies in between 0 to 2 pi but not equal to 0 and pi 2 pi. Okay, the solution considered over entire set R are called general solution. Principal solution is only x belongs to 0 to 2 pi in the open bracket, and the solution considered over general solution all R. Okay, so the general solution of some standard trigonometric function. Okay, where sin x is equal to 0, that is x is equal to n pi. Where if x is equal to n pi, then all the sin value of n pi are 0. So n belongs to z. Okay, cos x is equal to 0. So all the values of x, that is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. For this angle of cos, all the values are 0. Okay. Then tan x is equal to 0. So if x is equal to n pi, we know that tan x is equal to sin x upon cos x. If sin x is 0, then all the things will be 0. So for sin x, n pi is equal to 0. So sin n pi is equal to 0. So x is equal to n pi, that is n belongs to z. Sin x is equal to sin alpha. X is equal to n pi minus 1 alpha minus 1 to the power n alpha n. Okay. This is the general solution of the sin x. Okay, so if sin x is equal to sin alpha, okay, if sin x is equal to sin alpha, then x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n alpha multiplied with alpha multiplied. If we consider cos x is equal to cos alpha, then x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha, where n belongs to z. Then if we consider that is tan x is equal to tan alpha, then x is equal to n pi plus alpha, n belongs to z. Sin square x is equal to sin square alpha, cos square x is equal to cos square alpha, tan square x is equal to tan square alpha, then x is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. If cos x is equal to cos alpha and sin x is equal to sin alpha, then the formula is plus or minus alpha. Okay, n belongs to z. So these are the formula. Okay, take a screenshot of all this formula. I will not say you. If you are want to take a screenshot, then you will take a screenshot. Okay, then come to the sine formula, that is in any triangle ABC, if we consider this is a triangle ABC, then A by sin A, B by, this is the opposite A, that is B, that is this is a big A, that is the opposite small a, this is a big B, that is small b, this is small c. So small a upon sin A, that is the angle sin A, small b upon sin B angle, and equal to c upon sin C angle. Okay, or we can say sin A upon small a is equal to sin B upon small b is equal to sin C upon small c. Okay, cosine formula in any triangle ABC, a square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. B square is equal to c square plus a square minus 2ca cos b, and c square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos c. These are the three formulas. Okay, what is the logic? First of all, we will know that if we know that in a triangle, that is if we take as A is the diagonal, then A is equal to, only we will know that key which can be said to calculate. Here we will calculate, that is we will find that is a square. So our left will be b square, b and c, then the take square, b square plus c square, then b square plus c square minus 2bc. Then what is the angle of opposite A? That is cos A. Here also b square is equal to, that is take c square plus a square minus 2ca cos the opposite angle of small b, that is big B. This is the logic. Okay, simply we will know that all the things. Or cos A is equal to b square plus c square minus a square upon 2bc. Similarly, cos B is equal to, what is the formula? C square plus a square minus a square upon, c square plus a square minus b square upon 2ca. This is the logic only, or not anything. Then come to the projection formula. In any triangle ABC, if is equal to A is equal to B sin C, if this is the triangle, we will consider that this is a triangle A, B, C, and this is small a, small b, small c. Sorry, this is small b, this is small a, this is small c. Then small a is equal to b sin c plus c sin b. This is the logic. If we will to calculate a small a, that is b this side along with this angle b sin c plus c sin b, then how will we find that is b, that is equal to c sin b is if we will find that is b is equal to c cos a plus a cos c. If we will find that is a, then this will be the angle we will taken, that is b sin c and c cos b. And if we will calculate, that is b is equal to c cos a and a cos c added. If we will find that is c, then this will be the angle, that is a cos b plus b cos a. Okay, if we will know that is tangent formula, that is Nepler's analogy. In any triangle ABC, if we will find that tan A minus B upon 2, okay, tan A minus B upon 2, then simply we will write that is the opposite side of A, that is small a, minus opposite side of B, that is small b, A minus B upon A plus B cot the negative, the another side, that is we will left large C upon 2. Similarly, we will write tan B minus C upon 2, that is small b minus small c upon B plus C cot A plus by A by 2. Okay, then also we will write that is tan C minus A upon 2 is equal to, I will say that is c minus small a upon small c plus small a multiplied with cot b by 2. Okay. Then come to the area of triangle, that is Heron's formula. The area of the triangle, that is ABC, is equal to half multiplied with the opposite of A, that is small a, with multiplied with the opposite side of B, that is small b, AB sin C, and the angle at the C. If we consider this is ABC angle, ABC triangle, then this is ABC, this is small b, this is small c, this is A. Then this is the area of the triangle formula is half upon A multiplied with B, then the angle subtended by the sine big C. Similarly, half BC sine A and also half CA sine B. If we take two sides multiplied, then take the common angle between them. If half CA sine B, half BA sine C, half BC sine A, these are the formula. These are always, the math is based upon the logic. If we don't remind all the logic, then we will not remind all the formulas, because there are vast number of formula in the math. Okay. Then this is the Heron formula, that is 2s. If we consider that is the 2s is equal to a plus b plus c, then s is equal to, the area of the triangle is equal to s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c or root over. Okay. Then these are the formulas. Semi-angle formula, sin a by 2, that is the opposite side left, that is s minus b multiplied with s minus c upon bc. These are logic. So similarly, s minus c, s minus a multiplied divided by c upon root over, all root over. If we will consider sin c, then the logic, after a what is come, the b, so s minus b starts, then multiplied with s minus c upon bc, this bc. Then after b, which will start, c, then s minus small c, s minus a upon these multiples, that is c a root over. Then come to sin c by 2, then after c, a, b, c, then phuni again come a, then s minus a multiplied with s minus b upon ab root over. So these are the formula, only will remind that. Then these are all the formula that will remind. Take a screenshot and go on, carry on. Okay students, thank you for your watching the video, and take all the screenshot of all the formulas and take it remind as a logic. Okay, then applied it very well. So thank you students. वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना, शेयर करना. मैं आपका एहसान सर, अपना यूट्यूब चैनल सौम्य एजुकेशन, प्लीज़ लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना. ओके, थैंक यू.